Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Kelsey and I'm the owner of Mayhem Motifs, and today I'm going to show you 2 ways to create a magic circle. Magic circles are a necessary step if you are looking to create something such as these cute heart granny squares or any amigurumi. So what you're going to need is a 5mm crochet hook such as this one, and some yarn. So let's get started. To start, you're going to grab your yarn and wrap it around your hand, holding the beginning of the yarn, crossing over the underside to make an X. You're going to pin that X and the yarn beginning, and you should have 2 loops over the back of your hand. Take your hook and slide it under the first loop and hook the second. Pull the second loop under the first and give it a single twist. As you can see, the loop is now wrapped around my hook, and I'm going to now hook the yarn above the first loop and pull it through the yarn on my hook. You should end up with a circle and a tail. If you pull the tail, it should tighten the loop, and if you pull the circle, it should loosen. Let's do this again. Wrap the yarn over your hand, make an X on the underside, pinch, hook under the first, pull the second under, twist, grab the yarn above and pull through. Chain 1. And magic circle done. Grab your yarn, wrap over 2 fingers, make an X, take the first yarn loop, pull it over your second, take the second yarn and pull it under until it tightens. Now you have a slip knot. Insert your hook into the loop and tighten. Now chain 4. Now you're going to insert your hook into the first chain, and now you can slip stitch, which creates a little circle. Now, if you chain 1, you can start adding your stitches into the middle. Only issue with this option is you can't tighten the middle, which leaves a small hole in the middle, but if you don't care if there's a hole, this might be the option for you. Now let's do it one more time. Loop over, make an X, pull up and over, grab the second, pull under and tighten. Insert hook, chain 4, stitch into your first chain, slip stitch. Now you're going to chain 1 and then stitch away as needed into the middle. There you have 2 options for a magic circle, which you can use to make these adorable heart granny squares. The video for that is going to be right there for you, and don't forget to give me a follow for more crochet tutorials. Bye and happy crochet!